Good morning, boys. How are you? Boys, today, inshallah, I will talk about the mistakes you did it in the game yesterday. Yani some of you did that. Let's start question by question. First one. Question number 2. Is this time 12, 10 or 10? When the long hand on 12, we said that before. 12 means the minutes 0. Here. Let's use pen. Yes, here. Long hand 10. So the minutes 0. Next one, question number 3. There are minutes in hour. Here, in hour. In hour we said before. How many minutes? 60. In hour, 60 minutes. Question number 4. What time is it? What time is it? Shorthand between 3 and 4. We said we will take previous number, so the time, hour 3, and minutes. Longhand in number 10. Skip by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So the answer 3:50. Next one. Which clock hand tell the hour? Short or long hand? Of course, short hand for hour. Question number 7. This time, boys again. There is difference between past and to. To mean the time not come yet. Let's see this one. What the time here? Shorthand between 2 and 3. So it's 2. Longhand on 3. On 3 mean quarter. Quarter past or 2 past. When the quarter in the first part of the clock past. Quarter past 2. Question number 8. Now, where is the quarter? In the last part here. When the quarter in the last part 2. So, quarter here to 6. And we said before, quarter to 6 mean the time is 6 now? No. Not yet. The time, not yet. The time 5, not 6. Because of that, we said quarter to 6. Mean, this is meaning after 15 minutes, after a quarter, the time will become 6. Okay, question number 9. 11:45. How we write it in the different way? If we draw it, let's draw here. "45", the long hand here. This is 45. Short hand, 11, between 11 and 12. Okay, here this is 12, 11, and here 9. 9 mean 45. When you see 45, it means 9. And the shorthand between 12 and 11. If I want to read it in a different way, we start with the quarter. This is a quarter, right? Quarter, past or to? To what? The time after it, to 12. This is meaning the time not at 12 yet, after quarter it will become 12. Okay, quarter to 12. It's a quarter to 8. Yes, again we can draw it here. I will draw quarter to 8. Here 8. And this is 9. Shorthand 7. We need 7 also. Shorthand between 8 and 7. This is shorthand. Longhand quarter on line 9. When you see the word 2, it's mean the quarter on number 9. Because of 2. Quarter on number 9. This is the time. If I want to read it as a standard form, the shorthand between 7 and 8, we will read the previous number 7. Colon 9 mean 45. Okay. Next one. It's morning. This is a clear, boys. Why some of you make mistake here? Morning. AM morning, PM afternoon and evening. Clear. Morning. Morning, AM. Afternoon. And evening, PM. Dinner, PM, because before we go to sleep, before we go to bed, we have dinner in PM, of course. Play video games, yes, PM. It's okay if some of you write AM, but in the AM you go to school, there's no time to play video game. Okay. I eat lunch at noon. 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 Noon mean what? PM. What time in this clock? First, long hand on what? 6. 6. You can write as instead of 6, 30 minutes or half. All of them correct. Okay. Have, past or to, have always with past, not to. Have past what? Here 9 and 8. We will take the previous number 8. So have past 8. Here. How you say 2 and 3 minutes AM with past. We said with the word past. When we use past, we will start with minutes. I will go to minutes here. Past, if you see past or to, mean we will start with minute. Here, the minute is what? 3 minutes. It is 3 minutes past, and now the hours 2. So we start with the minutes, then start with hours. What time is it in this clock? This one, I think it's so easy. 1:30, standard form. Where is it? Yes, here. Between 2 and 1, previous one, which was number 1, colon, and 6, we said 6 mean half or 30. Let's go to the last page. 10 o'clock. Clock, it's the easiest thing you have it here. I will zoom it. If the long hand on 12, we said what? Minutes 0. When the long hand 12, minutes 0. And what about the hour? Shorthand on number 10. So 10 colon 00. What time here? The shorthand and the long hand on 12. Both of them. When the shorthand and long hand on 12, the time will be 12. Exactly, 12 o'clock. I hope, boys, now it's clear for you how you read the time. Please don't make any mistake with that. Be careful before you start to answer anything. Today, inshallah, I will send you again another game. I want you answer, please, without mistakes. Try harder. Thank you, boys.